Facebook is a massive traffic monster. As of this writing, it has over 1.3 billion, and that's with a capital B, daily active users. When people are on Facebook, they pretty much stay there and they view page after page of content. In fact, on a month-to-month basis, as of 2017, Facebook has slightly over 2 billion monthly active users. Once people log into Facebook, the system basically keeps tight surveillance on them. Every like, comment, share, as well as page that you liked and even ads that you clicked, will be monitored by Facebook. When it comes to fine laser targeting of demographic groups based on individual user behavior, nothing even comes close to Facebook. Facebook can make educated guesses as to what your interests are and can then show you advertising that fits those interests. This is not lightweight targeting, mind you. You really cannot afford to miss out on Facebook and its marketing potential. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you are going to understand Facebook marketing. You will learn to identify common Facebook marketing mistakes. You will understand Facebook in terms of efficiency, effectiveness, and return on investment. You can begin to figure out the industry standard look, content strategy, and other elements. You are going to learn the best ways to promote on Facebook. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing Modern Facebook Marketing, the 8 Best FB Promotion Methods. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. 10 common Facebook marketing mistakes. The 8 most effective ways to market on Facebook. Facebook page marketing. Facebook group marketing. Influencer page outreach. Paid page boost campaign. Paid traffic campaigns. Paid lead generation campaigns. Facebook pixel retargeting campaign. How to optimize your Facebook ad campaigns. Plus, a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually engage in Facebook marketing. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to engage in Facebook marketing with a higher than average chance of success. You want to learn the most effective ways to market on Facebook. You want to save a lot of time, effort, and money. You know that you don't have enough target audience profiling information to base a successful paid campaign on. You want to get a lot of people on Facebook to click on your links. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is, how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, Modern Facebook Marketing Cheat Sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, Modern Facebook Marketing Mind Map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, Modern Facebook Marketing Resource Guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to engage in Facebook marketing, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you start your Facebook promotion campaign. I'll see you on the inside.